If you're working hard, but still broke, this message is for you. Most people think they have a money problem. The truth is, they have a thinking problem. In 2025, money works differently, and if you don't understand the rules, you'll stay stuck, no matter how hard you try. Let's start. Mistake number 1. Believing hard work equals more money. We were taught that if you work harder, you'll earn more. That used to be true. It's not anymore. Today, the hardest workers are often the poorest, because effort without leverage leads nowhere. The wealthy don't get paid for effort. They get paid for value, ownership, and systems. Working harder won't make you rich. Working smarter might. Mistake number 2. Only having one source of income. Ask yourself this: if your paycheck stopped tomorrow, would your income stop too? For most people, the answer is yes. That's not security. That's risk. One illness, one layoff, one bad decision, and everything collapses. In 2025, multiple income streams aren't optional. They're survival. Mistake number 3. Lifestyle inflation. Every time you earn more, you spend more. A better phone, a nicer car, more expensive rent. And somehow, you're still broke. Funny how that works. Rich people increase assets first. Poor people increase expenses first. That single habit decides everything. Mistake number 4. Not understanding debt. Debt isn't always bad, but bad debt will quietly destroy your future. Credit cards, buy now, pay later, car loans. They make you feel rich today while stealing money from your future. If debt doesn't make you money, it's taking money from you. Mistake number 5. Saving money the wrong way. Saving feels responsible, but inflation punishes savers every year. If your money sits still, it's losing value. Savings protect you short-term. Only investing protects you long-term. Money must move, or it slowly dies. Mistake number 6. Ignoring financial education. Most people spend years learning a job, but zero time learning money. They know how to earn, but not how to keep it, grow it, protect it. Money is a skill, and skills can be learned. Mistake number 7. Waiting for the right time. This is the most dangerous mistake of all. I'll start next year, when I earn more, when life slows down. It never does. There is no perfect moment. There is only now. Every year you wait, life becomes more expensive, and regret becomes heavier. You don't stay poor because you're lazy. You stay poor because nobody taught you the rules. Now you know them. Which mistake hit you the hardest? Subscribe for more money truths. Your future depends on it.